write down the steps.
This is I'm recording.
Then configure a device. Go to configure a device. Add new device. We have to add this PLC to the software. So add new device. In this controller, there are controller, HMI, PC system. There are three things. This is our controller. So now controller we are going. This is what is this controller? This is S7 1200. So S7 schematic S7 1200. So in this S7 1200 we are selecting the CPU, and this is an AC DC relay type. That means input is AC, outputs are DC, the supply is AC, the inputs are DC, and the outputs are relay type of outputs. So this type of 1214C AC DC relay is the CPU of this. This is the CPU. That means it works with 230 volts AC, and the inputs we are giving of digital inputs, and the outputs are of relay type outputs. So AC DC relay. So we are selecting this one, and this is the number. You will be having a number here. That number is this third one. So number. After that you change the version to 4.3 version, and then add. This is the procedure. Now this is our CPU. PLC added to our project tree. This is called project tree. And this is PC CPU, PLC1 CPU 1214 AC DC relay is added. Now we have to program it. Where we do the programming? In program blocks. See, there is the program blocks. In this there is main OB1.
Main OB1.
Main OB1. OB means organizational block. So click on it. This is our network. In this network we do the programming. So these are our normal contacts. Here also you can get general mail, you will get all the contacts here, but you can readily available. So a contact, either click करके contact, and then output is coil. So now I have to give the from where I am giving the input. So I am giving input from DI 0.0. So this is input is assigned by I, output is assigned by Q. So I 0.0. This is a Boolean type of instruction. That is, it is taking only one bit, 0 or 1. Bool instruction.
Output.
So this is the one tag. Now I have to define a tag table. Go to PLC tags. Here tags is there, no? Go to default tag table. See in this, see data type is Boolean. I 0.0 is given, tag 1. You have to write what is this. This I am starting as a start. My start button. This is my start button. Now output is my what I am doing, my output where I am connecting. I am connecting to a motor. Is it not? Output is my motor. So Q is my motor, input is my start button. So this I am defining in default tag table. Default tag table. Now again come to main OB. Main OB, this is the program written, simple logic program. This is called ladder logic program. Now we have to compile this program. If any errors are there, it will be showing. Suppose if you have done any errors. Now there are no errors. See, compiling finished, error 0, warning 0. There are no errors in this program, no warnings in this program. After that, now we have to download this to the PLC. So now download to the device. So here it is asking which type of interface is there. Previously it was not connected, that's why it was not showing highlighted. Now we have connected. So this is the Profinet, Internet, Ethernet. So PNIE is the DA. And now this is start search. It will search this whether it is connected or not. And then now this is the IP address of the PLC. After that, which is loaded. Go to load. Now after that, continue without synchronization. Now previously previously when we have if you have given any programs, that will be stopping. So stop all. Previous programs जो है उसको निकालना है. So load it. Finish. After that, there is a monitoring control. See here, monitor. When you are doing monitoring, you will get all green things. That means your program is correct. So all green things. इसमें चश्मा वाला है ना, इसको monitoring करना. And then now I have to run the program. So what I have to do? Q0. See now, power is coming up to here only. Is it green? That is healthy. Shh. So power is coming only up to here, but it is not turning the motor on.
Yes,
कब
ma'am.
मोटर ऑन करता है जब हमको NO को NC बनाना है.
NC करना है.
तो ये 0.0 दिया है ना, ये 0.0 इसको बंद कर दीजिए.
हो गया
हो
start.
गया ना.
जी.
तो अगर हमने इधर कुछ Q0 पॉइंट इधर रहता है, यहाँ से लेके हम किसी रिले लगा के मोटर लगाए तो हमको मोटर चालू होगा.
जी.
यहाँ है Q0.0.
मैं
These
अभी
are inputs, DIs. These are DQs.
आउटपुट तो अभी नहीं लगाना मैम.
अभी नहीं लगाना. Input 40, output 10. Analog కూడా ఉంటాయి. Analog inputs are 2 analog inputs, 1 analog output. So now is it? Are you happy a little bit?
Something.
But there is so much we have to do. See now PLC is in run mode, run condition, that is it is showing green.
Yes, ma'am.
If there is any problem, it will show error. Error means red. Some maintenance means orange, like that it will show. So now PLC is in green color. It is working now. So it is in green color. But